it seems. I have tried taking this nut off with just a normal extension bar, but nut 1, spanner 0. Of course, tried it with the stuff, tried it with a heat gun, heating it up, trying to bend it, trying to remove it. Let it sit for a day, with solvent, still not working. So today's attempt is going to be with mass-free gas. So I'm just going to get set up for that and see if I can heat up the nut. Not this, I'm not worried about melting the bearing or any of the seals because I've got replacements for those. Now, I'll put new ones on, but I don't think this has been off for near 30 years. So hopefully I don't mess it up. It's warm, not yet yellowy hot. No, not budging. So, you guys missed some fun. 5 cycles of heating this till that almost glowed, but it finally came loose. Half a day of heat, cool, heat, bend, heat, and finally it just. Now hopefully everything else is already a little bit loose, so I can get the disc brakes off, get the pad, the disc itself right off. Yes, hopeful. Well, wow. There we go. This, however, that can turn that way, seized that way. So now I need to figure out how to fix that. It's like, yep, that's the problem. And yeah. Anyway, I will probably put this in a vise, and it's got circlets in here, so I'll knock out the circlets, take these caps off, and then I might get lucky enough that it comes out easy. Otherwise, this is my next challenge. Then once I get that universal out, I've got to get a new one in.